One of the most anticipated products at Pipeline 2023 featured an update to the Milwaukee battery system. The newest generation is the Milwaukee Forge batteries. Should you run out and order one of these M18 or MX Fuel Forge batteries today? Let's take a closer look and see if they're right for the way you work. With DeWalt PowerStack and FlexStack Lithium both enjoying success with their pouch cell power tool batteries, there have been a lot of questions wondering if Milwaukee was going to develop their own version. The short answer is yes. However, Milwaukee is not only using pouch cells for all their newest batteries. Some include the first tabless cylindrical cell batteries used in power tools. So we have the best of both worlds, the very first tabless cylindrical cell batteries and the first Milwaukee pouch cell battery. And before we dive into the specifics of these Forge batteries, let's spend a little time talking about the cell technology that's behind these advanced high-performance packs. Now, it's the Milwaukee M18 Forge battery that has the pouch cells. This cell design can create a higher power battery in a more compact form factor. There's significantly lower electrical resistance in the connection, resulting in higher potential current flow and more power output for the tool. Even when you don't need as much power, the energy transfer is more efficient. On the job site, you get faster application speeds with existing M18 products. Additionally, pouch cell packs run cooler. You can push them harder for longer without the tool stopping to protect itself from high temperatures. You can also charge them incredibly fast compared to traditional cells, another benefit of lower electrical resistance and heat buildup. MX Fuel Red Lithium Forge batteries are the first batteries in the industry to leverage tabless cylindrical cell technology. Now, Ryobi Edge batteries that were announced a couple of weeks ago also have that same tabless technology inside. With these, the current has a much shorter distance to travel and gives you a much larger surface area. From a cell standpoint, that means it has significantly lower electrical resistance, and similar to the advantages of pouch cells, it can put out higher power and run cooler. Now let's take a closer look at these specific Milwaukee Forge batteries. With the initial launch, there's just one Milwaukee M18 Forge battery on the roll call, and it's the Pouch Cell XC 6.0. From a power delivery standpoint, it's capable of providing the same watts as the 12 amp hour high output battery. That's a big deal when it comes to workload. Each cell in the Forge pack has to deliver twice the current compared to the cells in that larger 12 amp hour pack, while preventing overheating and maintaining a long service life. As for charging, the battery is capable of an 80% supercharge of 5 amp hours of capacity in just 15 minutes. From there, it slows down to top itself off. A full charge cycle from 0% to full takes only 25 minutes. Even though there's more current running through it, Milwaukee promises the M18 Forge battery has the longest life, the most recharges, and the best performance compared to the standard and high output red lithium packs. As a bonus, these packs are also designed to have better protection against common oils, grease, and solvents. And finally, as we expect, RedLink Intelligence monitors against overload, and the battery is fully compatible with all M18 and M18 Fuel products. When it comes to pricing, that 6 amp hour Forge battery is going to run $199. But keep your eyes open, sometime in the second half of 2024, we're also expecting a 12 amp hour Forge battery for the M18 system, and that price hasn't been announced yet. Now, for those of you replacing your gas equipment with Milwaukee's MX Fuel products, you have two Forge batteries to look forward to. An 8 amp hour MX Fuel Forge battery offers 33% more runtime than the current 6 amp hour pack. Then there's also a 12 amp hour MX Fuel Forge battery for when you need the highest capacity. Like the M18 version, these packs offer higher performance, longer service life, and faster charging than their standard counterparts. The 8 amp hour battery gets back to a full charge in just 45 minutes, and the 12 amp hour pack takes only 65 minutes. Those are lightning fast charge times compared to what we're used to seeing. As far as pricing goes, the 8 amp hour battery is going to run $849 and the 12 amp hour version is going to run $1,149. There are also some chargers to talk about that are coming with this launch as well. The Milwaukee M18 dual base simultaneous supercharger charges more than 2 times faster than the previous generation supercharger. This is the fastest charger Milwaukee has ever made. They actually had to add controls to dial back the wattage and avoid tripping breakers. It includes a technology called Charge Adapt. Charge Adapt asymmetrically charges 2 batteries at one time. In other words, both batteries always receive some level of charge. However, Milwaukee varies those levels per battery in order to quick charge the most optimized pack. Simultaneous charging always occurs in this system if 2 batteries are installed, and that shares the available power between them. In order to get that 80% charge in 15 minutes, you need to install just one Forge battery on the charger. Another technology Milwaukee developed is called Cool Cycle. When your tools perform demanding applications back to back, batteries inherently heat up. To speed up charging, Milwaukee developed this Cool Cycle technology, which employs high-speed air cooling on both their MX Fuel and M18 Forge batteries, as well as the newest superchargers. It's not just a cooling fan on the charger. The batteries and charger are both active participants. Now, if you're looking for the M18 dual port simultaneous supercharger, it's $249. And keep in mind that that can charge any M18 battery, not just the Forge batteries. The MX Fuel Supercharger is going to run $549. We've already begun testing with some of these Forge packs, so be on the lookout for the results in our head-to-head videos and power tool buying guides in the near future. If you have any questions about these batteries or Milwaukee Forge in general, leave those in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.